That's a gunshot.
Welcome back to the Bourbon and Boost YouTube channel. Today we're doing something special. It is a hot one here in Kentucky. We are finally gonna go try to fire the SMX up. So I haven't released much on this car. We've done a couple things on it, but I haven't showed y'all for multiple reasons. But this will be one of the fastest drive and drag cars out there. It is the best of the best of the best put on this thing. It's been a 3-year build. It is Matt Knight's car from Knight School of Welding. Same one that helps me. So we're gonna go to Steve's. Matt and them are already there, starting to take lines off, clean the lines, cooling system, make sure everything's clean before we fire it. And after 3 years, we're gonna try to fire this thing up. It's gonna be really cool. Stick around, guys, and see one of the coolest drive and drag cars out there. Go ahead and sneak on in here to Ant Motorsports. You gotta watch, you never know what he might be doing.
Yeah, when you listen, those kind of people that have that approach of
Quit touching yourself.
You're like, they're like, how can we refine this? Yeah. How can we take what we have
Water pump
and make it that
what?
much better?
Water pump leaks.
So I really admire that approach.
Just cracked all the way around.
Just like, oh, we don't have enough power with this engine. All right, let's just buy the most expensive.
It's gonna fucking work today. You know what's Matt's birthday?
It
is?
You know,
yeah.
We're losing races.
He come in, go chain on. I was like, hell yeah. He's like, it's fucking another day, another year older day. I said, really? So we're gonna try to fire it on his birthday. Oh, it's starting. 1000%. It's starting today.
Like, it is gonna start today.
But yeah, he's like, I didn't tell nobody. It's gonna be the best birthday present ever. I said, Matt, we're hearing it today.
Yeah. No matter
I pulled
what.
the water pump off because I thought
the silicone was leaking around the thing.
Yeah.
Well, when I pulled it off, I noticed it cracked.
You know, even with the engine.
JB Weld.
No, I mean like it's like there's like this little plastic spacer thingy.
Like I'll get so focused on getting this project done, and I'll get it done, and then I'm like, oh,
Listen to the starter. We gotta look at that
what
too.
am I working on
Okay.
next? Like I have no idea. Like all
Damn.
I could think about was getting to the end goal here.
I don't know which shim it needs in or out,
So it's that part's tricky.
but we gotta check that.
I was talking to, I was saying on PS for Bill the other day.
It's loud as fuck. Listen to this pump. It sounds like it's about to die already.
like Mark's?
No.
That's my gas tank, right? What Lynn wants his gas.
Yep.
You ready?
Yep. That pressure's set. I know for a fact. Dollar mark.
It took a minute to go on.
You got number 3 hit on the map.
Number 3's hit on the map.
All right. Let's see what it does.
You ready?
Yep.
That's a gunshot, baby.
All right. Go ahead.
40-23 on the numbers.
Huh?
Like 50 something on one, 35 on another, 70.
That's fuel level.
No, that was another.
Oh yeah, we're not worried about that. Go ahead. I know oil pressure works.
Pouring.
Oh,
Stop.
shut it off.
It's off.
Kill it. Kill the fire.
I killed it.
All the injector rail.
I killed it.
Injector rail.
Return.
What? Is it loose?
Yes.
So first startup, not bad. Few AN lines left loose. There's so many on this car we forgot. So we're gonna try to get switched over to methanol and try to fire it on methanol. So see what happens, but it is officially running as of right now with a couple small issues.
Joe come over and I didn't know.
Again, Matt.
Fuel pump on?
Yep.
Tune number 3.
Yep.
Ready, sir?
Yep.
Check the trans. So we're gonna try it on methanol again now that it's outside. We definitely have 2 turbos that gotta be rebuilt though, and they're brand new. So let's get you switched back around and see what Steve does.
Say a little quick send off to a rebuild kit. We'll be alright.
Comes back to you might want to go ahead and buy a 3rd one at that point and just have it sitting there. Like, hey, while you're rebuilding these, build me another one identical.
But even, like I said, even Steve didn't have fiberglass in his, and we still had one blow
He
out.
got the races a couple of years. That don't count.
You got to turn his up full.
Is it up? Yes, no.
You don't have to deal with both of them at the same time.
That one doesn't have a block.
Just that.
Yeah. Hanging on. There's a puddle right here. Oh, I don't know. You hear the note change from methanol to gas? Yeah.
Oh yeah.
That means we're making more power?
Don't worry, we got our little friend over here.
Gas and nitro. Like it's
Yay! She's ignoring me.
Look at Uncle Ethan.
She's like, nah.
Lazy River.
Love it, big dog. Love it. It's a
What
good
about
day.
you, Steve?
Huh?
What about you? Thoughts?
It leaks oil.
That it's just it's recycling. So back to the earth. Joe?
We're gonna beat Cletus. We're coming. We're
And then
coming.
there's Mark. He's way over here. He's dying of heat exhaustion. He drove his S10, which wasn't a smart thing. It's like 97.
It's pretty hot.
You a dummy.
Race cars and hot don't go together.
Don't go together. How to sweat your ass off for.
So, congratulations to Matt for finally getting to hear his car run on his birthday. Happy birthday. And Steve for doing a heck of a job. That was a massive undertaking to do that car wiring and fixing some repairs. And there's still a long road to go before that thing can be ready for any kind of drive and drag, as we found out later. We won't talk about that for other reasons. But that car is amazing. Matt's car is awesome. Hopefully we can get it out soon, and we'll get you more videos of the SMX. Maybe a few passes soon. We also got the new torque converter in for the no prep car, so we'll be hopefully getting back to the track. I've got a couple videos to release. I don't know what order I'm going to do them in, so if you see the last testing, you see something, then there you go. So, guys, till next time, we'll see you later.